It's June 13th. It's hailing in Dallas. Oh my God. That's my truck. Getting crap all over it. I really hope I don't have to call the insurance people. Damn. Wow, look at this. This is June. It's the hot month. It's not the hail month. Oh my goodness. Wow. Poor little truck shot to hell. Oh, I just got a hail in my leg. I got a hail in the leg. Oh. I'm damaged. Jesus. Freaking nuts, man. Little Ford's gonna be shot to hell. I hope I'm not.